Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the WOMBO Dream AI on your phone to create amazing AI generated app in just few taps. So let's get started. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Dream by WOMBO and install it. Then open the app and tap Create. Then type in the description of what you want the AI to generate. Be creative. For example, I'll be typing a futuristic cyberpunk city at night. You can select from styles like realistic, futuristic, anime, fantasy, or abstract, and more. Each style gives your image a unique look. Then tap Create and watch AI works its magic. And once done, tap Save or Share to download or post your masterpiece. Bonus tips: try different prompts and styles for unique results. Use AI art for wallpapers, profile pictures, or creative projects. And that's it. Now you know how to create stunning AI art using WOMBO Dream AI on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool tutorials. Thanks for watching!